So here everyone, so do you want to turn real browser traffic into API test case in just one clicks? So here is how Keploy Chrome extension make it effortless for you. So first install the extension from Chrome Web Store. So once it's done, you can go to any of the website, let's say github.com, and click on the Chrome extension here. So and once you done that, you can log in first. After logging, once you done login, you can record the API calls, so it will capture the calls and complete the request response calls also. So Kepler capture all those calls in the background. So once you capture the calls, hit the stop recording button. Kepler automatically generates the test cases and mocks in YAML format based on your API interaction. So you can plug it directly into your test suites or use them for mocking API during development. So basically, it is perfect for developer, tester, anyone who want to automate tedious testing tasks. So try this Kepler Chrome extension today and let me know what you love the most of it. So if you love the Keploy Chrome extension, don't forget to rate us on the Chrome Web Store and also leave a review for us. We would love to hear from you guys. So yeah, until then, see you. Bye bye.